Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you one of my famous recipe at home, which in fact I'm cooking this one today for our lunch, which is Penang fried Kuey Teow mee. So let's start cooking. First of all, I need some oil to fry enough oil, guys. Yeah, I have these two Chinese sausage which I slice very thin, but this one is optional whether you want to put or not. Yeah, it's optional. Okay, now what we do is we have to dish it out because we don't want this one to become soggy. And the next one now is our prawns. I have this 150 grams of prawn. I clean and devein. Now we also have to fry this. But we don't want to overcook this. Once we can see it's changing the color already, then we have to take it out. Yeah. Like this, not too cooked. Okay, now we're gonna fry our garlic. I have these 2 cloves of garlic. And now we can see the garlic is already brown. Now we're gonna put our 1 cup of fish cake. Sardine, I slice it very thin. We put our mee. Actually, your mee, when you buy this one, it become one lump. So what you do is you're gonna detach them, yeah, so that when you cook this one, they will be evenly cooked, yeah. So we put inside, and this one is 450 grams or 1 packet of mee. So we fry this one first for a while. And I have this Kuey Teow, also 450 grams. The same thing, when you buy this one, you come up with 1 lump, then you also have to detach this one by one so that when you fry it become like evenly cooked. In goes the Kuey Teow. I have 2 eggs. You put in between. And you just spread them and mix with your mee. You can see the one we have to season this. I have this soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Yeah. And a dash of pepper. Mix them. I have this bean sprout. 600 grams of bean sprout. You have to wash it nicely and drain. Make sure that there's no water in it. Now we put inside. And lastly, I have this dark sauce. You have to color your food so that it's more appetizing to eat. 2 tablespoons of dark sauce. Look at the color, guys. It's so pretty. And it's very yummy. I tell you, it's a mouth-watering fried Kuey Teow. Okay, now so once you can see everything is almost cooked, you have to put it back all your other ingredients, yeah. Chinese sausage and your prawns. And now you mix again. gonna dish it out. Yeah. Yum! This is the best fried Kuey Teow in town, which is famous in Penang. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the final result of my Penang fried Kuey Teow mee, and I tell you, it's really mouth-watering, and this is one of the recipe that where my family love it so much. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Bye.